Ever since the colonial period, when people found out as they arrived in new places that there were forms of creativity they had never anticipated, there was a strong desire for those in power to look at the knowledge held by communities in places that were being, quote, discovered, take that innovation and bring it back and commercialize it without sharing benefit with the communities that sourced the information in the first place. This colonial impulse has not stopped, and as a fact, there is now more patents filed on indigenous substances around the world than there should have ever been, and those impulses led to a discussion in Geneva where the World Intellectual Property Organization thought that the way to solve the problem was form a traditional knowledge framework that would allow traditional communities and indigenous communities to have their version of a patent system or a copyright system or something equivalent thereto. MChem has said that's not the way to go. We believe that there is a more creative way to engage communities for not only their own benefit, but for transformation of economic engagement across borders and across cultures. We think that is the Heritable Innovation Trust, a program that we created a year and a half ago in the Pacific, and a program that is now expanding throughout the world. The Heritable Innovation Trust is a repository of community information, which is passed through generations in many cases, sometimes is sourced within a generation, where those people who provide the information become the trustees of a perpetual inalienable trust, to which people are invited to participate through a contract engagement. The contract is quite simple. If you learn of or experience any part of the knowledge in the trust, you are bound under the contract of use to share your knowledge with the community that shared with you, to, if you choose to move forward with any economic engagement, move forward in partnership with the people who shared that information. And should any benefit be derived, whether that benefit be economic, knowledge, industrial, marketing, honorific, any form of value, that you have a responsibility that is intrinsic to your participation in the community created by the trust to share the benefit with those who source the information at first. The trust, unlike a proprietary model and unlike an enclosure-based model, actually calls forth a level of human engagement where communities that have knowledge can expect not only to be benefiting directly from the use of that knowledge outside of their realm of interest, but also receive a way to proactively engage knowledge holders from the outside, to be incentivized to participate with those communities to raise collective awareness. For more information about the Heritable Innovation Trust, which was launched last year in Papua New Guinea, please visit the website, heritableinnovationtrust.org, or contact MChem for more information.